magic trick. So here I have a magic solution, and I'm going to pour it into these 5 cups. Let's see what happens.
So how did the solutions change color? Red cabbage, which we use to make the magical liquid, actually contains a very special chemical. This chemical is called anthocyanin and makes the cabbage the red-purple color that it is. Anthocyanin is a natural pH indicator that changes colors based on the acidity of a solution. The pH scale is a scale used to put solutions in order from acid to neutral to base. Acids have a low pH and bases have a high pH. For example, lemon juice is found on the left side of the scale because it's acidic. Bleach is found on the right side of the scale because it's basic. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with anything below 7 being acidic and anything above 7 being basic. A solution that is 7 on the scale is neutral, like water. Apple skins, plums, and grapes also have anthocyanin, but in a smaller amount, which doesn't make them good indicators like red cabbage. A red indicator means the solution is acidic, a purple indicator means the solution is neutral, and a green or yellow indicator means the solution is basic.
So here we have cut up cabbage, and I'm going to be putting that in the blender with some water. So then you have to blend it as fine as possible so that there aren't any big chunks left. Now that the cabbage is all blended, we have to take the cabbage and strain it to get all the big chunks out. So after straining the cabbage, I first put some lemon juice in a cup. And then in another cup, I put in some Sprite. In a third cup, I put in a baking soda and water solution. In the next cup, I put in some bleach. And in the last cup, I just put in some tap water. Now I'm going to put the red cabbage indicator in these cups, and the solutions will change color depending on if they are an acid, neutral, or base, and that's how I did the magic trick. Let's put the solutions in order. Bleach is on one side because it's basic, water is in the middle because it's neutral, and lemon juice is on the right because it's acidic. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe. If you would like to know every time I upload a new video, turn on your notifications. Thank you for watching.